Hello internets. It's been a while, but I have another update. We've been working on the spare bedroom. We have all of the plaster down and bagged up. We're gonna get that out of here. And then we're gonna take the lath down and get that out of here. Well, I'm gonna look at getting this old chimney down. It does not go through the roof. It actually terminates in the attic, so we should be able to just rip it out, hopefully, and make that wall flat. There's no real need for it anymore. And then we're gonna insulate from about there all the way around to there. These are all outside walls. The bedroom actually stops right about there. And then once we're insulated, we're going to put up all new drywall and tape, mud, paint, get a new carpet in here. We're looking at putting a closet over on this wall here. Got an outlet, but that could just stay in the back of the closet. And then here we could have a bed. And that's about it. So I'll give another update later, probably when we have the lath down. Okay, this is the last load of lath out of the spare bedroom. And this is Gus, who's holding the last load of lath. We did about 6 loads of lath out of that room. And if you haven't seen Gus yet, look at the other video, but this is my new toy. And the nice thing about him is it's really easy to dump a load of lath in a nice pile. Tight little fit through here, but mix it. That sure beats moving it all by hand. So I'll show you the rest of the room in the next part of the video here, and then we'll show you where it's going from there. Been a while since the last update, a couple weeks, but as you see, all of the lath is down, and outside we're bringing in drywall and insulation now. See, they had old paper in here for insulation before, and old newspapers on this side from about 1904 are some of the dates we can see on it. Some interesting headlines in here, but yeah, we're gonna bring up more of the drywall. You can see we have it down there in the truck. Bring up the insulation. Get the room cleaned up a little bit more, clean out some of these bays so we can actually put the insulation in them. And once we're done with that, I'll come back with another update. Oh, really quick, see, the chimney is gone. Took that out. That's one of the biggest changes in this room. I'm gonna have to put some drywall up top, but that makes a huge difference in this room. As you can see, it opens it right up. That was really jutting out into the room and taking up a lot of space. We also decided, rather than having the closet on this wall, we're going to frame out a closet behind the door where all that drywall is. So, yeah, that's the plan right now. Start with cleanup after we get everything up here, insulate, and then drywall. Talk to you soon. All right, starting in the morning, we're about to start doing some drywall in this room. Got all the insulation up, and next step is drywall. So we're gonna hop on it, and I'll show you an update when we're done. All right, taking a break for the day and calling it, but we got most of this room drywalled. Came up pretty good. We're gonna wait for this wall until we get this radiator out here. We don't need two in here. This room was already really hot with two in here last winter when we were in here, and there was no insulation in the walls then. And now with insulation in the walls, one is gonna be more than enough for this room. So yeah, we're gonna get this radiator out of here. They'll free up some space under this window for bench or whatever. More storage, and make it easier to put the closet in over in this corner here where the closet's gonna go. So I'll give you another update when we come back and either have this radiator out of here or do more drywalling. Okay, so we got drywall up on the outer wall and the closet framed in. And we've also taken out this heater, which takes the entire loop out of the house. And we're not gonna really need that loop. The only things that were on that were the downstairs heater in the office, which we took out before we moved in, and this one. And with the insulation in the walls, they're not needed. As you can see, I've started cutting some drywall for the closet, which I gotta secure. And before we actually drywalled the outer walls, I put in blocking, which I've marked out on the wall. The blocking is going to be used to secure the closet rails and the shelving, so I know it's in there good, because there was only one stud, which I would not have hit with where we wanted the rail. I also have blocking on this side, as you can see, and we have blocking down there on the bottom. So we're gonna have two rails for clothes. We're gonna have a small shelf above each rail for boxes, and that will give us plenty of storage space in multiple configurations. I also need to fix this hole here and that hole where the chimney was, along with take that out and fix that. So I have a lot to do today. I'm gonna get to it, and I'll come back with periodic updates. All right, we've been working hard. We got all the drywall up on the closet, as you can see, and we've been going around and also mudding and taping the outside. Started right about there and moved along. It's looking a lot better. I got the drywall up where the chimney was. I gotta work on plaster and taping that, of course. I got the loose plaster down from there where it was cracked, and I started plastering that. I started to tape it and plaster it some more. And I put a little bit of plaster here where that hole was for the hook. So here in the corner, we're gonna do some corner molding. So that's gonna cover it up, so we're not too worried about that. But we're making progress. I got the room pretty much cleared out, as you can see. And the next step is just to finish plastering, taping. And once that's all done and we're ready to paint, we'll rip up this carpet and get it swept up, and it's gonna look really good. See you soon. Been a while since the last update. We've been mudding and taping, as you can see. Trying to get in here at least once a week, but motivation is kind of low. But we're nearly done. So the closet's all done pretty much. Just a few minor spots to touch up. And I think we'll be ready for paint. See, we got the rug all out and bagged up. Just getting a little too dusty in here every time I stepped, it'd bring up a cloud of dust. So we're gonna keep pushing through, finish up the few spots that need it, and then get some primer down. Be back soon once the primer's up. Probably be another week before that goes up though. See ya. All right, I've been doing some cleaning up in here. I did sand up on the ceiling. I think that's ready to paint. I'm gonna do just a little bit of plaster touch up, and then I gotta go around and fix a few spots I circled with plaster. After that, I think I'm gonna be ready to paint, but I wanted to show you this. I've been vacuuming up, and it's one of the most satisfying things to see. So it's gonna be a little bit loud, but I'll adjust the volume. So here we go. All right, I'm starting to clean out the vacuum and give it more suction, but that's really satisfying. All right, have another update soon. See ya.